kang Han. Eh di si King Kong. Talo sa bakla. Umuwi na.
I'm done. Now I wake up. Things I can play. So I will see you tomorrow. You later. It's really crunchy.
Okay. Totoo na. Sa iyong palagay, kung mag-iinuman tayo, may insulto ka ba kung pina-order ka ng long neck?
Fish.
Okay. Pinupili lang. Sa iyong palagay.
One moment. Ice cream.
Dito na lang. Okay na tawa eh. Candidate na... Biyak ang katawa siya, no? Candidate number 3, Timothy. The question is, sa iyong palagay, magdadamdam ka ba? Pag may nakasalubong kang
You like it? Please meet my sister. This is my
kung ikaw ay maaksidente, magnenek
What does it matter? This is free. This is just a toy, guys. And these are toys. See? These just toys. I'm just pretending. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh.
Sa iyong palagay, tama ba ang lyrics na may toes, may knees, may shoulder, may neck?
Bye, Vloggy.